5, 4, 2, and cue.
Hello friends! Welcome to our channel, the Snooki Serna Channel. Isa pong seasoned actor po ang makakasama natin. He was among the young actors who were introduced ng Sampaguita Pictures during the early 1960s. His career po as an actor spanned for over 6 decades. Naging screen daddy ko po rin siya sa pelikulang Experience. Isa pong magaling at nirerespetong artista. My Tito Romeo Rivera. Hi, Tito Romy!
Hello. How are you? How are
Thank you
you?
for coming, Tito.
Hindi ka nagbabago?
Thank you po, Tito.
Napakaganda mo pa rin.
Ako, narinig niyo yun. Tito Romy, I'm really, of course, I'm honored to be with you. And I'm so thankful that pinaunlakan niyo po ako, Tito Romy. And also, I miss you because ang tagal na po natin hindi nagkasama, Tito Romy. How are
Oo,
you?
napakatagal na. Yes. And alam mo, nung nakatanggap ako ng imbitasyon na iniimbita mo ako dito sa show mo, ngisi, tawa yung naranasan ko kasi binabalik mo yung
Alaala
magandang nakaraan sa pagiging artista ko.
Tito, parang ako yung nasi-sentimental at gusto ko yata munang panoodin natin ito bago tayo mag-interview.
Yes.
Tito
Gusto
Romy.
lang talaga galawin. Dad, kailangan niyo ng pera, no? Ba't hindi niyo po ako diretsuhin? Mahina kasi isip ngayon eh. Alagay ko, Daddy eh. Kinakwartahan lang kayo ng husto ng mga chicks niyo, no? Dad, sorry. Bakit nasugod ka ngayon 10 oras ng gabi? Nag-iisa ka pa yata. Daddy, pwede ho bang dito muna ako sandali? Ano na naman ba nangyari? Kasi... Nag-aaway na naman kayo ng mama mo, no? Daddy!
Tito, ano reaction mo dito? Talagang ang reaction.
Napakagaling na babaeng artista dyan. Napakagaling.
Tito, thank you very much. Tito Romeo, ano po naalala niyo doon sa pelikula natin na yun?
Kung ang director mo, Lino Broca, pagdating mo pa lang sa set, dinidibdib mo na yung role na gagawin mo.
Tama.
Kasi out of respect to the guy, because he was really very good. No?
Yes.
Kasi when an actor come to the set, knowing what he has to portray, the respect that he should have is the people that he be with him. No?
Right po.
And as much as nandoon si Lino, talagang kahit na maliit na role, importanteng role, talagang didibdibin mo.
And I feel, di ba, in the way that he mentored us, talagang nandun yung respect niya sa ating mga artista.
Correct.
Tito, bago natin pag-usapan ang iba pang aspects ng pag-artista mo, kamusta ka na ngayon, Tito? Balita ako na at a young age of 78, Tito, bata pa yan, nagmamaneho ka pa ng iyong sariling sasakyan. Grabe.
Unang-una, mahal ang driver. Pangalawa, maganda pa naman yung, pumapasa pa naman yung mata ko sa pag ini-examine ka sa when you get the license to drive, di ba? And I still have good reflexes naman. Pagka medyo may mahaba ang weekend, mag-aaya si Missy, si Lita, my wife, na pumunta sa Baguio. I still manage naman. But at this point, defensive na yung driving ko.
Tito, what keeps you busy nowadays? Ano pa ang pinagkakabalahan mo ngayon, Tito Romy?
Well, I put up my own company. I have a small company. We trade product from abroad like Indonesia, China, Turkey. We bring their products in the Philippines My youngest son is helping me to promote this product, sell them here. And that is what we do now.
Ito yung side mo na hindi hindi alam namin. I mean yung kasi 'di ba usually Tito Romy, ang perception sa atin ng mga tao, sorry sinama ko na yung sarili ko, parang pag artista ka, parang yun lang yung pwede nating gawin.
Kaming mga character actor. And even the goons, they call it, mga goons sa movies. Pagka yung wala kang ginagawang pelikula,
Okay.
mukhang sumisikip ang mundo. Mukhang may kailangan ka, may gusto kang bilhin, hindi mo mabili. So, I saw to it, sabi ko, why don't you do something else? You know, para hindi ka naman,
Umaasa lang putting your eggs
hindi
in
ka
one basket.
100% na umaasa sa pelikula, which is, the movies you can really count on it. Basta meron kang ginagawang pelikula. You know? So, I just did that. I started as a salesman. I applied with the company. Fortunate naman, this company that I was working with allows me to work in the movies. Even I was full-time working with them, you know. I was sending my kids to school. I have 4 kids, no?
Pero Tito, balikan na po natin yung showbiz career.
Okay.
Tito, paano po ba kayo nakapasok sa showbiz? And I know, child actor po kayo.
Correct.
Tuwan-tuwa nga ako kanina nung nagbabasa ako. Sabi ko, child actor pala si Tito Romy. Childhood dream niyo po ba na makapasok ng showbiz?
I think it was out of necessity at that time. Kasi noong mga panahon yun, noong mga 50s, 60s, makakakita ko ng mga bata na talagang dinadala ng nanay at tatay sa studio, like Sampaguita, LBN. Makikita mo, you know, just like one movie. I remember, this was 57 pa, 57, 58. They needed one role of a child that will appear with Rogelio de la Rosa. Alam mo, yung applicants, punong-puno yung buong LBN. Ang laki ng compound ng LBN. Ang dami siguro. There are about 300, 400 applicants. I was one of them. My daddy.
Si Daddy ang nagtulak
my daddy was pushing me. Dito ka, magpakita ka ng gilas. Yung mga ganun, no? But somehow, I was fortunate to be chosen to play that role.
Do you still have any recollections of that day? Tito?
Definitely. Kasi not only you're young, but these are the good things that happens to you.
Correct.
Na you cannot forget. To be in the movies is the best thing that can happen to everybody, to anyone. Before, an actor doesn't have to go to studio
Workshop.
to learn. Parang lahat ng mga artista nung araw, hindi nag-aral umacting. Hindi sila nag-aral umacting. It is anything that they can produce come from them, you know.
Sino po bang pinakamalaking influence sa inyo as an actor?
Good actors, other good actors,
No one in particular.
good directors. Like one of my favorite actress, a very good dramatic actress is Lolita Rodriguez. We made movies together and all that. Ang pinakamaganda siguro premyo ng isang artista is once a scene is finished at sinabi ng director cut, yung crew, the people around that scene will clap their hands because you're so good. And I saw that with Lolita Rodriguez. Oh. Not only once, but a couple of times. Pag umakting siya, tapos sinabi niya yung dialogue niya, sabi ng director, cut, lahat ng tao sa paligid pumapalakpak. Hindi ba nakakainggit yun? Hindi ba nakaka-inspire yun? Na meron din ako isang eksenang gano'n na nangyari sa buhay ko, but hindi ko rin makakalimutan yun.
Dito, anong eksena ito? Anong pelikula ito dito?
Step Sisters. Si Lorna and anak ko dun si Mark Hill. So it was a confrontation between the three. That I was in a wheelchair, that it hit me so much. And I think I delivered my lines with feelings, with all the things that I can do. And I had the applause of the
Ang sarap naman nun.
Hayop! Hayop!
Tumigil kayo. Oo. Ako lahat ang may kagagawa nito. Ako ang masama. Ako ang hayop. Ano pa ang gusto niyo mangyari? Ano pa ang gusto niyo gawin ko? Napagsigaw ako sa buong mundo. Na ako'y masamang ama. At kayo ang aking mga anak. Maswerte pa nga kayong dalawa. Hindi niya kayo itinakwil. Hindi kayo pinagdamutan ng pangalan. Hindi. Hindi kita anak.
Sabi ko nga, nakachamba. Sabi ko kay
Galing,
Marky,
Tito.
pare, pasensya ka na, nakachamba ako.
No, Tito, you are, ako po yung isa sa mga umahanga sa inyo. You've been doing character acting for 60 years, di ba, Tito? For
More or
60
less,
years,
more or less.
Doong mga panahon na yun na yung mga kasama ninyo, nandun na stuck sa love team. Paano ba kayo napasok sa pagka-character actor?
Merong oras na isang produksyon o isang pelikula, kinakailangan ng isang bad boy, villain, kontrabida. It's not that you don't like it, but when you get that assignment, like what I said, pag nabigyan ka ng ganong assignment at dinibdib mo, iyon siguro ang umpisa kung bakit nalilinya ka bilang isang character actor. No? Pag nakuha mo yung inis no, ng taong nanonood sa'yo at nainis, talagang salbahe to eh. Talagang salbahe to eh, you know. I think that is an accomplishment that one villain or one character actor can attain, you know.
Pero Tito, itong pagiging character actor mo, do you find it fulfilling as an artist?
Yes, when you had the scene and the director said cut and you were satisfied on what you did, that's the most fulfilling things that you can have. Kung maging bida man ako, good guy, bibihira. Parati ako salbahe, pare, pulis, smuggler.
Tito, at ang pelikula ninyo, 95 movies lang naman, my friends.
Yeah,
Tama po ba yung ating
yes.
count?
So I think without plus what I made when I was young, at least I think it's a little bit more. But that was 50 years.
Yung 1960s, isa ka sa mga young actors ng Sampaguita, parang dinom ka ni Doc Perez. Kamusta po yung buhay pag-artista noon, 1960s, Sampaguita Pictures? Iba po ba sa ngayon?
I remember sa Sampaguita kasi, you know, being strict is not written. They were, of course, announced, no? So, nung panahon ng mga sa Sampaguita, pag sinabing ang call mo, 8 o'clock in the morning, at 8 o'clock, nandoon na lahat yung mga artista. They will ride in one bus, they will proceed kung saan man yung location, no? Anybody that will arrive late, pinapalakpakan yun. So, pag artista ka at saka dumating ka ng 30 minutes late, parang nahihiyang-hiya ka, you know? Hiyang-hiya ka. So, that's why I think the respect among the stars, among the actors and actresses was there. Kasi palagay ko, inaabot mo rin yung ang call after lunch, alauna, pero yung kasama mong artista darating alas 5, hindi mo naman, dahil sa mabait tayo, dahil sa mabait ka, you know, tatahimik ka na lang. You just ask, whatever happened, di ba? maiintindihin mo na yon.
Nakakatuwa, Tito, kasi di ba ang pangalan niyo po sa totoong buhay, alam ko, ay Apolonio.
Apolonio.
Sino po
Junior.
Junior?
Junior ako.
Oh.
Alam mo, yung Apolonio,
Opo.
hindi ko kinausap ang tatay ko, napakatagal. Bakit naman binigay mo sa akin? bakit naman tayo binigay mo pa sa akin yung pangalan mo? Mga ganun. So, tawa lang ng tawa yun.
Love na love ka ni Daddy, ginawa ka Junior, Tito. Pero sino po ang nagbigay sa inyo ng pangalang Romeo?
Si the late Dr. Perez. As a matter of fact, whatever I become in the movies, I owe it to the great guy. Siya yung star maker.
Kayo po ba, Tito, nung mga panahon ninyo, may love team po ba kayo noon?
Ang love team ko noon, yung mga gumugulpi sa akin.
Sino-sino mo?
I think for some films like during the time of mga batang series,
Opo.
ang composition ng mga batang series sa male is Dindo Fernando, Ramil Rodriguez, Pepito Rodriguez, Edgar Salcedo, Pepito Perez, Ricky Belmonte. These are the composition of the Star 66. On the female side, si Rosemary, Loretta Marquez,
Gina
Blanca
Pareño,
Gomez, Gina Pareño,
partner mo, Tito.
Shirley Moreno.
Shirley.
You know?
Tito, pero sa kanila, sino po yung parang naging pinaka-close mo?
Eddie Gutierrez is
Tito
one of the
Eddie.
best guys I had. No? Kasi Polonsky ang tawag sa akin.
Ang cute
Si
naman.
Pepito Rodriguez is very close pa kasi ninong siya nung anak ko. Yung gano'n. Ramil is
Tito
also
Ramil.
close. Edgar Salcedo, we were so close. You know, drinking buddy, yung gano'n. Pagka yung gusto ko uminom, halika, Romy.
Maaari ko bang tanungin ito, Tito Romy, kung kayo po ba'y may niligawan?
Diyan, meron akong gustong ligawan. Meron akong gustong pagsabihan na, ang ganda mo naman. Di ba? Ganun. Pero maaga ako nag-asawa. Paano ba yun? I got married when I was 22.
Oh.
Even before I had so much movies, I was already married. I got married 1969. That's about 54, 55 years ago. So,
you've been
meron
married.
akong gusto, pero hindi ko na tinuloy. May asawa na ako. I mean, gulo lang yun. Meron lang problema lang aabutin.
How are you able to maintain or sustain your marriage, your relationship with your wife? What is the secret to keeping your marriage alive and intact?
Meron akong bed scene with an actress. You know what I did?
What did you do, Tito?
Sabi ko, Han, sumama ka. I want you to be there. So that is what I did. And what did you feel? Ginano ko nga siya. Sabi ko, how do you feel when you saw me kissing, embracing, and etc.? Wala lang. Kasi alam ko, artista ka lang. Sabi niya. So, those are the things that I did.
Mali
Nawawala yung
takot,
temptasyon.
temptation.
At saka, alam mo, kung meron kang pwedeng maging mabuti at mabait at magandang kaibigan, yung mga artistang babae. You know, like Lisa Lorena is a very good friend. Loretta Marquez, Shirley Moreno, Sarah Calvin, you know. Even Rosemary Sonora, the
Mommy of Sherry.
mom of Sheryl Cruz. Can you imagine? I work with their mom and then I work with their daughter pa. That's how it was, di ba? Just like you. Your mom.
Mami mo, si Mami,
Oo.
nakasama niyo po. Tapos tayong dalawa naman
Tayo
dito.
magkasama pa. Hindi ba? Sarap ng pakiramdam.
Totoo po, totoo. How did you keep faithful in this business?
It's not easy at all to be in the movies. Never. Mostly the people who were in the movies, they were there by chance, you know. They say there's no business like show business. And once you're in and once you stay, I think no regret. Whether you became successful or not at all, there should be no regret because it's a good chance to be here. Ito yung can you imagine, naging artista ka, nobody knows you, and then suddenly you made one movie, and then somebody, almost everybody sees you and say, "Hi, ang galing mo," or whatever, di ba? So that alone is a very good prize. Yung parang premyo mo na napasama ka sa pelikula.
Tito, you are a very private person. Puntahan natin ang iyong family life naman. Tito, pakilala niyo po kami sa family niyo.
Oh, okay. Of course, my wife, Lita,
Yes. Rita.
I've been married with her since 1969. Wala akong, alam mo, noong mga panahon yun, wala akong pangregalo eh. So, ang sabi ko sa kanya, I think one of the reasons why she was convinced, sige, sa birthday mo, ako na lang, sarili ko na lang iririgalo ko. So, we got married on her birthday.
Wow, naman.
And that was my gift to her. You know. We had first son, si Romeo. He studied in at UP, University of the Philippines. Nakatapos naman siya. He's now one of the top executive of Jollibee. And then my second son, Romel, graduated from San Agustin, LaSalle, and now he's the country manager of a Belgian company in the Philippines.
Galing naman, Tito.
My daughter, of course, she finished also her studies in Women's University, but married to Top Susara. I think they are doing fine. And my youngest son was helping me out, who's managing this company, yung small company that I put up, that deals yung mga product abroad. And that's it. And I've been married for 55 years. Married life is always up and down, di ba? Meron talagang oras na parang ngipin yan, nagkakagat mo yung dila mo, nakakagat mo yung bibig mo and all that. But we survive.
Pero kamusta po kayo bilang asawa at ama?
Hindi ako santo. I'm not a saint. I'm not a saint. Of course, no, lalaki ako, artista ako. Merong mga, kahit hindi sila artista, merong mga time na may masasalubong ka. That you have to stop for a while and then say goodbye after a while. That's it. But so far, what's important is at the end, you understand each other. This is a personal thing that happened to me. Yung mag-asawa, nag-aaway yan. I've never na walang away kahit na 10 taon, 50 taon. May away yan. Merong hindi pagkakaintindihan yan. But at one point when it looks like it's a separation, that you have to separate, that I thought it was coming. And I told my kids, sabi ko, okay, whether the separation was my fault, whether the separation is your mom's fault, side with her. Side with her because she's your mom, she's a girl. Don't forget about me. I'm lalaki ako. Kung ano man ang sitwasyon ko, kaya kong dalhin. Basta side with them. Side with your mom. Forget about me. That's what I said. And when I said that, when my wife learned about it, things became better. Things became good. And that is one reminder that I think I gave my kids the best I can give.
Tito, parang ang bango ng kapaligiran. Naamoy niyo po ba?
Oh,
Ito po ay dahil sa Mia Maison. Mabango po ang studio natin ngayon dahil sa ating mga kaibigan sa Mia Maison Home Fragrances. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Shirley, Ina, Mark, and company. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Dadako po tayo sa part ng ating programa, Flash the Movie. 7 krus ng isang ina. Ano po naalala niyo dito, Tito? Rosemary, Ramil Rodriguez,
Ramil,
Edgar
Edgar
Salcedo,
Salcedo.
Alicia Alonso, hi Tita Alice, Rosa Aguirre.
I think kontrabida rin ako dyan. Ang nakita ko dyan, yung maraming pagkakamali ng mga anak, ang nahihirapan yung nanay. Anything that you do will affect the feelings and life of your mom.
Savage Sisters.
Savage
International
Sisters.
movie dito. Congrats.
Ano yan? Action movies yan.
Ang dami niyo rin po
Box,
nagawang
no?
international, ano Tito? Nakailang international films
I
po?
don't know, maybe less than 10, less.
We shouldn't be with that garbage, Ernesto. We need firepower. That convoy's carrying $1 million in cash. And without Malavasi and his men, we couldn't touch one fucking centavo.
Do you really think we can trust them to settle for a third? If it was up to me, I'd kill them all right after the raid.
We're not bandits, Raul.
Maybe we'll be sorry we're not.
Pero Tito, alam ko, isa sa mga international film na nagawa mo, kasama mo si Chris Mitchum.
Correct.
Kung naalala niyo
Kasama
pa,
ko doon
friends.
yung daddy mo.
Yan.
Si Bon Serna, yes.
Si Bon Serna nakasama.
Yeah. Ano yun?
My daddy.
Master Samurai.
They call him Chop Suey.
Oh, yes, yes. Ramon Zamora. Ang babae dyan, si Jennifer Kaur, I remember.
Masaya siguro to, no? Tito Ramon Zamora.
Oh, yeah. Kontrabida ako dyan.
Ito po,
I
next.
died in yung quicksand.
Oh my goodness. Problem Child.
Wow, yes. Sherry Hill, yes. One of the Elwood parents, I think I made so many movies with him also.
At ikaw, nasaan ka nung kailangan kita? Nasa loob ng isang kwarto nagpapalaki ng tiyan. Naghihintay na may magpapalamon sa'yo. Paano kita gagalangin? Ano sasabihin ko sa pamilya ko? Ito ang lalaking pinaglaban ko. Isang palamunin?
At ikaw naman, Sylvia. Habang pinalalamon mo, ay kung sino-sinong lalaki ang katabi mo sa ating kama. Ikaw na rin ang nagkasala. Inalis mo ang aking pagkalalaki pagkatapos mong insultuin ako. Mahal ko ang ating anak. Minahal din kita. Ang problema lang sa'yo, Sylvia, iisang tao lang sa mundong ito ang natutunan mong mahalin. Ang sarili mo.
Thank you. Mabutit alam mo.
Tito, hindi naman po kayo nasabihan ng feel beautiful, gano'n.
Trademark ni Elwood, di ba?
Trademark. Naalala pa ni Tito Romeo. Experience. Ay, mabait yung bata
Wow,
dyan.
alam mo,
Snooki daw.
napakagaling ng artist na babae dyan.
Pag malaki ka na, maintindihan mo rin.
Daddy, kayo ba talagang dalawa ni Mami? Wala na pag-asa magbalikan?
Ewan ko lang. Alam mo, sa mundong ito, mahirap magsalita ng tapos eh.
May ipapakiusap sana ako sa inyo. Tungkol ho kay... Tungkol kay Rodrigo.
Tito, ito po. Nako, ito I'm sure nag-enjoy kayo gawin. Working Girls.
Yes, yes. So, alam mo, ang gagaling ng mga artista dyan. Chanda, Gina,
Hilda Coronel, Rio
Hilda
Locsin,
Coronel.
Carmi Martin.
Yes.
Ito,
Ismael Bernal, ang
Yes,
director.
opo. Tapos Tito, di ba po ang role niyo dito? Husband po kayo ni
Ni-
Tita Chanda, Ate
Ni
Chanda.
Chanda,
Coronel.
correct. Si Losong, asawa ni Chanda.
Masenso ka lang ng konti. Kung magsalita ka, akala mo ikaw na ang presidente ng Makati. Clear ka lang nung araw sa Cubao, ah.
Tony, hindi importante kung saan ang galing ang isang tao. Ang importante ay kung saan siya papunta.
At saan ka pupuntaan?
Hindi ko alam, pero sigurado ako makakarating ako ron.
Magbiyahe kang mag-isa mo.
Maging sino ka man. Robin Padilla and Sharon Cuneta.
Alam mo si Robin Padilla, the first time I saw him act was on a TV show. And that first time, I said, this guy is gonna be a great actor. And I was right.
Hanggat nabubuhay ang babae niyan, sisiw ako, ikaw, at lahat ng bata mo sa asyendang ito. Ako ang magtatrabaho kay Beatrice. Gawin mo ang trabaho mo kay Monique.
Papa, hindi naman siguro kailangan sigawan ako sa harap ng mga bata ko.
Hanggat puro kapalpakan ang ginagawa mo, hindi bababa ang boses ko sa'yo.
It was unknown at the time. I was making a lot of movies, so more or less, alam mo kung sino yung mga dumarating na bagong mukha. Nung natapos niya yung eksenang yun on that particular, sabi ko, this guy is very good.
Sara, ang munting
yes,
prinsesa.
yes. So, this is Star Cinema.
Camille Prats.
Star Cinema.
Yes
oh.
po.
Mula ngayon, dito ka natitira sa akin. Mamahalin kita at ituturing na parang tunay na anak. At ituring mo rin akong pangalawa mong ama. Ipinangako ko sa'yo, kahit anong mangyari, hindi kita pababayaan.
Totoo po?
Next film natin, Tito, Escapo. Richard Gomez, Christopher De Leo.
Nandyan ako na ang role ko dyan yata, ginampanan ko yung equivalent role ni Romualdez.
Oh.
Ni Romualdez. I was the negotiator of Marcos Timen. Escapo.
Iba na ang panahon ngayon. Kailangan matuto na kayong sumayaw sa tugtog.
Kailangan ko ibigay ang ABS-CBN, Manila Chronicle at ang Meralco sa mga kaibigan ni Marcos. Kapalit ng paglaya ni Henny.
Ito po ba yung parang political, di ba political
yes.
film? Well, somehow parang
Crisbel de Leon was very good there.
Mamamatay ako pero may natitirang dangal sa sarili ko. Pinalalabas na ikaw lang nagpapahalaga sa dangal dito. Dahil pare-pareho tayo nagtitiis ng labis nito. Hindi ako manihid, Sarge. At lalong hindi ako tanga.
kasi parang they talked about yung life story yata ni
At the time when they were in
Lopez.
prison. So. Alam mo, Richard is a very fine gentleman. I find him so nice a person. Very
that's true. Totoo
respectful, very gentleman ang dating talaga.
If I may truthfully and humbly say so, you have aged gracefully, Tito.
Oh, thank you. Maybe I learn how to suppress the pressure that can come. Meron akong shield. Kapag alam kong matindi yung problema darating, na lalagay ko kagad yung shield para hindi ako tamaan. You know what I mean? Para hindi ako masyadong masaktan. Ganun ang buhay. You take things and then you stand up from there. At this age, parang ang tao pala pwedeng mag-enjoy na, masarap pala yung feeling na tumatanda ka na. Masarap pala yung feeling na sumasakit na yung likod mo, yung tuhod mo. Hindi pala, natural pala yun na darating sa'yo. But with the hope of prayers and alam mo, isa pang gusto ko sa buhay ko at pwede ko ipagyabang. Nandoon parati ang Panginoon, pagka meron kailangan, pag naaape ko, nandoon tinutulungan ako. Pag may problema ako, may dumarating. How can I ask for more?
That's true, Tito. That's true. Bilang mga artista po, lahat tayo, Tito, nag-iiwan po tayo ng legacy sa publiko, maliit man ito o malaki. Tito, ano po yung gusto nyong iwanan sa inyong mga tagahanga?
Sana po kahit paano, merong naging oras na nagustuhan niyo yung ginawa ko sa isang pelikula. Sa dami po namin mga artista na naging artista, na artista ngayon at darating pa. Just thank you for appreciating us. Even giving us that attention. That little attention meant so much for us. Sana po manatili kayong pinapatnubay ang ang pelikula, sa telebisyon. We need some joy. We have to at least move or sit down and see something that will relax our mind. We need those things.
Tito, mensahe po ninyo sa lahat ng mga nakasama po natin sa industriya, makakasama pa sa awa ng Diyos, mga taga-industriya po, nakasama ninyo sa loob ng 6 na dekada, Tito. Ano po ba ang gusto niyong mensahe sa kanila?
Sa lahat ng mga nakasama ko, talaga namang they're there. They're your friends. Even if they're not your friends, they're good to you. And that's it. That's it. Those are just like you. You have very sweet heart.
Thank you, Tito.
Diba? As a person and as,
Thank you po.
Yeah.
Words to ponder from Proverbs chapter 11 verse 25. A generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed. Amen.
I would like to thank Miss Ace Nepomuceno Chang of Jill Stewart Eyewear. Thank you, maraming salamat po for giving me my beautiful eyeglasses. And of course, Miss Lucy Britannico. Hi sis, thank you so much of Hair Shop Salon. Omnident Dental Clinic for my smile. And again, maraming salamat po sa Mia Maison Home Fragrances. Thank you again kay Ina, kay Mark, kay Colo, and Miss Shirley. Thank you so much, guys. And of course, ang aking FG family, FG Clinic for my skincare and wellness. Hello to Dr. Mitzi and Ina. Thank you so much. Sa aming kaibigan, si Renz Spangler. Renz, maraming salamat sa iyo. Salamat sa pagmamahal at suporta. Belated happy birthday also to our beloved Gospel Mercaida! Gospel! Happy birthday! Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nanood ngayon. Kung nagustuhan niyo po yung episode namin ngayon, sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please like, share, and subscribe. Press the notification bell for further updates po kung kailan lalabas ang ating susunod na vlog. And please don't skip the ads. Alam niyo na po kung bakit. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. Tito, thank you so much po.
Thank you very much.
Tito, meron po kaming munting regalo sa inyo. Galing po yan sa Mia
How
Maison
nice
Home
naman.
Fragrances.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
For you to continue being able to smell this sumahalimulang kabanguhan na ito sa inyong tahanan, Tito. Tita, I hope you like it. Meron po kaming fruit basket for you with all our love. Thank you so much, Tito Ronnie.
Wow, thank you also. Thank you very much. Wow, bigat. Ang dami nito.
Sigurado naman po ako nag-enjoy kayo sa ating kwentuhan with the one and only Mr. Romeo Rivera. Maraming salamat po sa panonood at patuloy na suporta ninyo. This is Snooki Serna. Always remember that whatever happens, rain or shine, friends po tayo. Thank you, Tito.
Thank you.
Hope to see you soon.
Thank you.